Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel EXP25 Excel Chapter 3 Cumulative Assessment Variation Movie. So if you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete my IT Lab course, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses, accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So I will guarantee you a 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam. So assignment title is EXP25 Excel Chapter 3 Cumulative Assessment Variation Movies. We move to the main project steps. So total step is 22. We move to the question number 1. So question number 1 is start a Excel download and open the file name EXP25 Excel Chapter 3 Cumulative Assessment Variation Movie. Grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file name. Go to the Excel worksheet. I have already downloaded the EXP25 Excel Chapter 3 Cumulative Assessment Variation Movies. So question number 1 is complete. And we move to the question number 2. So question number 2 is you want to create a pie chart to show the percentage each category contribute to the monthly movies download. Select the range A5 to A10 and F5 to F10. Create a pie chart and move it to chart sheet name is April pie chart. So select the range A5 to A10 and go to the Excel worksheet. Paste the range and press enter. So next F5 to F10. So A5 to A5 to A10 and F5 to F10. So create the pie chart and move it to chart sheet name is April pie chart. Go to the insert tabs and go to the chart groups and click the pie charts, click OK. And next create a pie chart and move it to chart sheet name is April pie chart. Right click and click on move charts and new chart sheet name is April pie charts, click OK. So question number 2 is complete and we move to the question number 3. So question number 3 is we move to the question number 3. The pie chart need a descriptive title that is easy to read and change the chart title to April 2027 streaming by genre and apply the bold 18-point font size and black text one font color. So copy the chart titles and go to the Excel worksheet and next paste the chart titles and the bold and 18-point font size. So go to the tabs and click the bold and 18-point font size, press enter and black text one font colors and click the font color is black text one, click OK. So question number 3 is complete and we move to the question number 4. So question number 4 is we move to the question number 4. So question number 4 is percentage and category data label will provide the identification information for the pie charts. Add the data label in the insert and position. Select the category name and percentage labels remove the value data label and the legend and apply the 14-point font size bold and black text one font color to the data labels. So add the data label inside and positions, data label inside and position, and select the category name and percentage labels. Select the category name and percentage labels, category name and percentage label, and remove the value data label in the legends. And next apply the 14-point font size and bold and press enter and click the bold, and next black text one font color, black text one font color, click OK. So question number 4 is complete, and we move to the question number 5. So question number 5 is, we move to the question number 5. So question number 5 is, you want to focus on the comedy movies by exploding it and changing its fill colors, and explode the comedy slice by 7% and apply the dark red fill colors. So select the comedy slice by 7% and press enter, and next dark red fill colors, dark red fill color, click OK. So question number 5 is complete, and we move to the question number 6. So question number 6 is, we move to the question number 6. So question number 6 is, a best practice is to include the alt text for accessibility comparison. At the alt text, the pie chart show percentage by January for April 2027. So copy the alt text, and next right click, click the view alt text and paste the view alt text, and including the period. So question number 6 is complete, and we move to the question number 7. So question number 7 is, move to the question number 7. So question number 7 is, next you want to create a combo chart to depict the monthly total and percentage by category. Display the datasheet and select the range A5 to A10 and F5 to G10, and then create the cluster column line on secondary axis combo chart. So next display the data worksheets, go to the Excel worksheet, and next select the data worksheets and select the range A5 to A10. So copy the range A5 to A10 and paste the range and press enter, and next F5 to G10, F5 to G10, and then create the cluster column line on secondary axis combo chart. So next create the cluster column line on secondary axis, go to the insert tabs and go to the chart groups, click the recommended charts, all charts, and next combo chart, cluster column line on secondary axis, and click OK. So question number 7 is complete, and we move to the question number 8. We move to the question number 8. So question number 8 is, you want to position the chart below the data source and cut the chart and paste it in cell A13 and change the height to 3.5 and width to 6 point. Cut the chart and paste it in cell A13. Right click and click cut chart and paste it in cell A13 and change the height to 3.5. Click the format tabs and shape by 3.5 and press enter, and next with 6 point and press enter. So question number 8 is complete, and we move to the question number 9. So question number 9 is, change the combo chart title to April 2027 streaming and apply the black text one font color. So next, combo chart title April 2027 by streaming. Copy the chart titles, and next paste the chart titles. Apply the black text one font color to the titles. Go to the home tabs and go to the font groups and click the black text one font color. Click OK. So question number 9 is complete, and we move to the question number 10. So question number 10 is, access title will have the destination, the number and percentage of downloads. Add the primary value access titles and secondary value access titles, percentage by genre, and apply the black text one font color both value access titles. Number of movies. Add the primary value access titles. Go to the chart design tabs and click the primary value access titles. And next, add the secondary value access title percentage by genre. Add the secondary value access title. Percentage by genre. and apply the black text one font color value access titles. Go to the tabs and go to the font groups and click the black text one. So question number 10 is complete. So if you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete my IT Lab course, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses, accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So I will guarantee you a 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam.